This is the Developed Design Review video. It shows the existing house first, then blends into the proposal. Use it to check the main moves before I finalise the planning drawings. The first change is the porch. The existing porch faces sideways to the drive and would sit behind the rebuilt garage. The new porch turns the entrance back towards the driveway, with side windows and triangular glazing above the front door. This cutaway plan removes the upper floor so the layout is easier to read. From the front door, you turn right into the new family space. The lounge, games area and gym equipment are indicative. They test space and movement, not final furniture or interior design. The wall nibs show where steel support will be needed while keeping the ground floor open. At the front, the double garage is demolished and rebuilt around 750mm further forward. The right-hand bay stays as storage. Above it, the new master bedroom sits under two dormers. Their position is controlled by escape window requirements and the wall below, so this is partly a building regulations decision. The side-gable bedroom becomes the ensuite. At the rear side, the flat roof links the family space back towards the utility. 3 roof lights bring light into the deeper plan. The final rear view shows the older extension removed. The new gable extension creates the open kitchen, dining and living space, with folding doors, roof windows and pentagon glazing above. At the review meeting, we need to confirm the porch, dormer finish, garage position, rear roof, glass and internal flow. If any of those feel wrong, please say so before the planning drawings are fixed.